Wait safe, move to the middle line. Wait safe, move to the left line.
The 71.
Wait safe, move to the left line. Wait safe, move to the middle line. Don't break it. Wait safe, move to the right lane. यदि indicator दिँदै जाने माथि देखिएछ नि त्यो गाडी. Then head take and just move little. Good. यसरी do U-turn next traffic light. Into the middle line. यहीँदेखि सुरुमा छिर्ने हो. You're not looking down. कहाँ यहाँ U-turn गर्नु त? What do you think? Then why didn't you enter them? अर्को गाडी उताबाट छिर्छ नि त, त्यसले के सोच्छ भन्दा बिर्सेर इन्डिकेटर दिएको छ. Go U-turn middle line gently. Continue. U-turn भनेपछि immediately think about you need to go right. And the road marking here. Wait safe, move to the right lane. Do not lane change under the traffic light. Also control and check your speed too. Good. यसरी. So एउटै चीजमा ध्यान दिने हैन, उड्ने हैन, लाइटहरु हेर्ने, स्पिड हेर्ने. Next traffic light, turn right. Turn right into the right lane. Time. Next traffic light, do U-turn. U-turn into the left line. When safe, move to the right lane. Next straight turn right. सबैभन्दा अघिको एरोले कहाँ डाइरेक्सन देखाएको छ त्यसलाई फोकस गर्ने. Good. यहाँनिर फेरि वेट गर्ने. Then when it's clear, go. Good.